Hi, Circle! You may know us as the co-hosts of your favorite internet talk show about designing professionally on Squarespace.
But if you want to see us at our absolute best, then you need to make sure to tune in to the Circle Day live stream and/or Circle Day World Loop, where we'll be bringing Circle Day to you at whatever your time zone is. Make sure you tune in on September 17th and September 18th, and make sure that you register.
I'm really looking forward to our product keynote this year. Our Chief Product Officer, Paul Gabay, will share what's coming soon in the product built specifically for pros. You're going to want to tune in live or during World Loop to stay in the know.
Not to mention, throughout the day, we'll have live presentations and online sessions from Circle members on topics ranging from crafting a project pitch to getting your site ready for the latest advances in AI search. You'll hear from Circle Live favorites like Christy Price, Henry Purchase of SEO Space, and Puno and Mindy from I Love Creatives.
And after the fun ends in New York, we'll keep the party going with World Loop, our international encore presentations that also include new local sessions from folks like Sarah Stark, Georgia Norton Lodge of Georgia Draws a House, and Rachel Luna, the Square Stylist. One more thing. If you attend the product keynote in the morning online, you're going to be seeing a lot of our online MC, Becca Harpain from Inside the Square. Becca, why should people come hang out with you on the Circle Day live stream?
Because I'm awesome, but more specifically, I'm going to be hanging out in the chat, and I'll share some special Inside the Square tips in between sessions.
You are so awesome, Becca, and hanging out with you is well worth the price of admission.
Isn't Circle Day free?
Sure is. So come be a part of it all. You can see the full schedule at circleday.squarespace.com/schedule.
See you at the Circle Day live stream.
And I'll be staying up all night throughout the World Loop experience in time zones from Europe to the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia Pacific.
And I'll be waiting for you in the live stream.
See you there.